Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. And in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the super KM move. Now there is a KM move, which is a thing that you would do when someone catches your double lift. So you just take a card. It means that you take two cards, you show them the card, and when they say that you have picked two cards, you just do the KM move to reveal that it's just one card. Now I saw that it's a very unnatural action of just doing this type of action on the deck and then showing the card. So I came up with this really cool thing that you can do to make this even more convincing. So here's how it looks like. Alright, so here's how this move looks like. So let's say that you went ahead and did a double lift, and now the spectator is going to say, hey, you just picked out two cards. Instead of doing the normal KM move, you do this. Wait a minute, come on guys, it's just one card. And then you can just hand the card over immediately and they can examine the card. So guys, that's the modified KM move, my work on the KM move. So I hope you guys liked it, and now I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. So guys, here's how you do the modified KM move, and I want you to learn this because this is far better than the actual KM move. Okay, so here's how it's done. So you first take out two cards like that, and when the spectator catches, here's basically what you're going to do. You're going to pick up the two cards like that, and then you sort of flip it over like that, and then you hold it, and then you just look at the spectator. So when the spectator says that it's two cards, you come over, and in the action of keeping the deck right over here, you push this card, steal it, and you do some sort of top change action, and then you can just show them that there is nothing wrong. So guys, that's the modified KM move. You can also do with three cards. So you have a 3-card break, you flip it over, they say you just picked out more than one card, and then you just go ahead, do the KM move, my KM move, and then as you can see, gone. Alright guys, so hope you guys like that, and I think you will use this. And if you learned something in this video, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.